Hi guys, so welcome to my app demo. I should probably start with opening the app. Now after downloading the APK from our website, which is linking to the Google Drive APK, you'll get the application. Now our app, Nakuskia, you can see a typo there, is a journaling app that is ideally like your normal journal, only that you're supposed to record your journal using your voice, then it is translated or transcribed to text so that you can have your journal in textual form. We developed this app using Flutter and Firebase. Flutter for the mobile front end and Firebase for the backend services like all of that. Now, when you download and install the app, you'll get an app walkthrough of which it will open up each time you open the app, and if you don't want to go through, you can skip, but for now let's just go through what it's saying. It explains this, like, here's a rundown, which is you record a journal, have the journal ready for you in textual format that you can review your thoughts, whether it's work related or it's an issue you're going through. The first feature is, if you're feeling down, just click the plus icon, which I'll show you in a minute. Record your journal, for whether it's a personal issue, school, or work related. Gather your thoughts and maybe you can review them in the morning if you're tired in the evening. Now, of course, you'll get a list of your journals in the journal list, which will only show you the journals of the user that is currently logged in, which is you. Ain't that a good thing? Now, at the moment, we use the speech-to-text API by Flutter, and in the future, we're planning to use AI and integrate probably a virtual human to show you in the UI, just so that you can have a face-to-face. Like we want to give the application a character so that you can have a conversation with a virtual human, i.e. have a conversation with someone. So let's get started. If you're not a new user, you can log in. If you are, let's register you. Now, for instance, we want to register someone called Kinu. Maybe he's registered on Yahoo. Have to have a password that's not less than 6 characters. When you're done, sign up, and as expected, to give you an empty list, since Kinu doesn't have any recordings available at the moment. Now let's fix that. To record this with our virtual device, we'll need to get our virtual microphone set up just to make sure the audio is okay, and I already did that. So the next step is just to start the recording. When you're done, save it and have it ready for you to go through your thoughts. Say Kino has had a really bad day and would like to share a few things. I've really had a bad day. Let's save that. You can continue with your statement and all that, and explain probably how your day was, and the app will store your journal on Firebase, bring it back to you, and you can review it by clicking the open icon over there. Just read through your thoughts, come up with maybe a solution to how you'll address that day, and you're okay. Right now we don't have all the features that are that we were planning on having. We only have the record journal and have your journal brought back to you. As explained, in future iterations we'll have more features. Our recording will probably be run by an AI, an NLP, some form of API for NLP, just to make sure that it doesn't miss words that you say, or it doesn't confuse words with other words, just to make sure you're okay and process the natural languages for a huge number of African people like us, just to make sure that people with other accents do not miss out. Now, I think we're done so far. And if you want to create another journal, you can just click create. If you want to log out so that no one can read your journals, just log out. Kino@gmail.com. I think his password was well. We have encountered an issue with the password. Now I probably need to change that because I'm sure at the console it will show you what the issue is, but for now you should probably edit that password and make sure you know what the password is. So I'll just come to a password that I remember of a user that I know. I'm not sure if you know that this user is me, and you'll get my journals. I was probably just feeling good in the morning, and say good morning, say hello. Thank you so much. If you have any questions for me, you can ask me in the Q&A session after this. Thank you.